Join me as I dive deep into the world of Bbai stock and try to figure out if it's really about to explode. Bbai, or Bigbear.Ai, has been making waves in the AI stock market lately. This company is a key player in the artificial intelligence space, providing cutting-edge solutions for a variety of industries. Its recent trends have been pretty interesting, with the stock price experiencing some fluctuations. Relevance-wise, Bbai is definitely a name to watch, especially with the growing demand for AI tech. One of the major challenges Bbai faces is market volatility. The AI sector is highly competitive, and the stock market can be unpredictable. Bbai must navigate these choppy waters while trying to stay ahead of the curve. Competition in the AI sector is another hurdle, with big players like Google and Microsoft dominating the space. Bbai needs to continuously innovate to stay relevant. Regulatory challenges are also a concern, as governments start to take a closer look at AI tech. This could impact Bai's growth and stock price. Recent developments surrounding Bbai have been quite promising. The company has released some impressive financial reports, showcasing strong revenue growth and a solid business model. Bbai has also been forming strategic partnerships with other major players in the industry, which could help drive growth. Technological advancements are another area where Bbai is making strides, with innovations in machine learning and natural language processing. These developments could have a significant impact on Bai's stock price. So, what's the most compelling evidence that Bbai stock could be about to explode? One major factor is the company's pipeline of new projects and potential product launches. Bbai has been working on some exciting initiatives that could drive significant revenue growth. Major investments from institutional investors are another bullish sign, as they indicate a strong vote of confidence in Bai's potential. Positive analyst coverage has also been a recent trend, with several analysts upgrading their price targets for Bbai stock. In summary, Bbai stock has potential for a breakout, driven by recent developments, strategic partnerships, and a solid business model. Its position in the AI sector makes it an attractive option for investors. What do you think about Bbai stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more stock insights and analysis.